Today is a great day to be alive. Don't you have didn't you say you have at least one pole you're bringing?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's see.
I just didn't want to go that way because I remember John having a dog, didn't you? 3 big dogs. Yeah. They're next door. I'm sure you'll see them today and they'll come running up to us.
Yep. Guaranteed. So just brace for that. Accept it. It's gonna happen.
No.
Oh yeah.
Is Ryan coming?
I don't think so. No.
It's actually at like 10.
Oh no, did he change his mind?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, he's coming. You know more than me, dude. Introduce yourself.
My name is Nacho.
Watch your rods there, bud. All right, guys. Good morning. Launching out here. Gilly just got back from Alaska, so we are heading out now. Gonna go do some kayak fishing today. We're doing a couple of things in particular. Dragging my biggest worm I own, hanging right somewhere, right there. 12-inch old monster hanging right there. Throwing a big frog and throwing a spook. We got Nacho with us. He's gonna be throwing some stuff too. Hopefully we can get him on some fish. Probably hook him up with a little top water because he needs a lure. Currently doesn't even have anything tied on. And that's it, folks. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's go do this.
Funky is your chicken? How funky is your chicken? How loose is a goose? How loose is a goose? Oh man, I got me on camera for doing that goofy ass.
We got all the boys out today, boys.
Yeah.
Notch over there.
That's the OG Buffy the Vampire.
Got
Yeah,
Rye.
Notch.
Decided to come out here for the morning.
Oh yeah.
And of course,
It's America's birthday weekend.
yep,
Woo!
it is. There's Gilly in the background.
Yeah.
Oh, hey Dave.
Hi Dave.
Hey Dave. Wait, right now?
No, he was stopped by yesterday.
It's a retroactive.
Dave came by yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh, should have come by today.
I got a spider all over me.
You good?
Me?
Yeah.
Spiders.
Go down there. I do the whole hike. There was 2 ladies that were like on there, and that were on the shuttle bus, and like a little bit of talking with them, and then I told them the moose had been down there hanging out like for the past couple days. We had seen it, and dude went around the whole loop. Don't see a moose. Go back up like this big fucking hill. I'm all winded, leaning on a tree, and then I look to the right, and there's a moose, huge, just staring at me, dude. And I'm like, oh, like all out of breath, like
Oh my
panic.
God.
And then it kind of got scared, so it like the trail goes down this like steep hill, but this guy went straight down like the side of a mountain, like just like did not care. So I book, I know it's going to the water. I like run down the hill. I'm like about to fall, and like I get down there, I see it again, it's outside of the water, and I have like all these pics I'll show you on my phone. It's like outside of the water, and it's like, it gets in there, it's like having a great time, like splashing, running, like starts eating some stuff. I watched it for like a half an hour. Oh dude, and then all of a sudden, like its demeanor totally changed. And like, it's because these 2 ladies, I think, started walking up, and I don't know if it had a calf out there or what, but like, dude, it just like, it went like, and like made a noise, a grunt, and I'm like, oh boy, I like start like gathering my stuff, backing up, and then I start videotaping it again, and it like goes like that, and I'm like, oh shit, like start running then, and I go back like 50 yards, and then the thing puts its head down, ears go down, and it bull rushes these 2 fucking ladies, this mom and a like,
no shit.
21-year-old, and like, dude, it kept on. They would run one way, and it would go and block them.
Oh
and
my
like,
God.
and I finally, after 5 times, I'm like, dude, I have to fucking do something. I'm like, hey, hit it my hiking poles, like, get out of there. the fucking thing starts charging me full speed, and I'm like, fucking, we gotta get out of here, we gotta get out of here. These girls, like, I run up to them, like, we're all, I mean, dude, we were all scared as fuck. And like, I get up to them, and finally, like, we're like, all right, like, I never saw it again after it was running at me. I'm like, we need to go now. Like, we're running out of here. Like, you guys, they were just like on my ass. I was like,
You weren't with those two ladies, right? Like,
no, I had to rescue them,
dude,
from this fucking moose.
what a story.
It was insane.
Kicking it off, guys. Today we're doing frogs and big worms. Got a river to sea bullywah 2, one of my favorite frogs to throw right here. It's got this nice chartreuse bottom. This is actually the Little Allen color, made by Matt Allen himself. So spectacularly made frog, awesome shape, comes through the water really well, walks great, and yeah, let's see if we can catch him. Oh! Did you see it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw something that makes a little bit more noise.
Oh, I could go back to Legos. I would have a great time now with Legos as an adult. I was one of those kids, I had a tote that was like this big, full to the top of fucking Legos. It's 12.5-inch Zoom Magnum Monster. Ol' Monster. That's what it's called. Zoom Magnum Ol' Monster. They actually call it Ol' Monster. Yeah, O-L. No, it's O. It's apostrophe O-L space Monster.
Good old.
Yeah. Yeah. Magnum Ol' Monster. I also have the regular Ol' Monster. That one's not as thick as the Magnum. Look at this, guys. Goes all the way up, almost to my elbow. Look at that. It's fucking huge. Fishing that giant worm with a little weight. Peg. We're just looking for a giant. And I gave Gilly one of my Japanese worms, which I could potentially switch to. Oh, bird's nest on the first cast? I think so. Oh! Oh! I just got bit on that giant worm, dude, and it broke off. Not a big one, but a fish is a fish is a fish.
It's a 1-pounder.
Nice 1-pounder. You can let that one go. That's a beauty. Caught it on this
Stanky.
Japanese salty stanky.
Give him the
worm.
old shaky leg.
Mm. On that worm for that bass. Pretty fish though. It's missing a fin. Look at that. It's missing that. Thanks, little fella. Oh yeah, you want to put anything in here? Your phone? Okay. This is why sometimes I miss your calls.
I knew it would be a rough launch. Today's the 4th, so happy America Day, people. Here with the Darlin. And we got a super grody, shitty launch here, guys, but we're about to do maybe a 3.5 mile drift downriver, get picked up, and go enjoy our 4th. So come along, subscribe, hit that like button, and let's go do this.
I'm totally unprepared if like a pike hits right now. You'd think you'd just see some fish swimming around. It's like deer. You just think you'd see some deer walking around because you know they're there, and you don't. Wonder how fast we could move. Yeah. Jet speed, look at that, speed. Meow. I saw a fish swim right over there. Looked like a bass. By those rocks. Nice ride.